Hi everyone, I just wanted to pop in and say hello and thank you for all the really vivid conversations that we've had in our forum, and it's been really enlightening to see the very diverse perspectives and how that has really expanded our discussions and really enriched our course. So thank you to each and every one of you for doing so. And I also want to just touch base with you very quickly. We're going to be embarking on to module number 2 already. So what we're going to be looking at in module number 2 is really looking at a very complex situation in healthcare as far as developing that healthy work environment while staying in compliance with the different rules and regulations. So that's really where we're focusing and looking at that balance and really examining all those different cogs that need to fall into place is a really big challenge for leadership. So that's where we're going with this particular module. So we're going to start off our discussions with the immortal life of Henrietta Lacks. And we're really going to focus on the concept of informed consent. And with that being said, you'll find as you progress through your DNP program that there's a great deal of integration of different concepts in the different courses. So they're just not in silos, so to speak. So what we're looking at actually also involves some of the what you'll be covering in Nursing 720 as well through your city training, and there's a great deal of correlation. So think about that as you're reading the Henrietta Lacks book or reflecting on the book, what you've read. Think about how that comes into play as far as when we're looking at protecting our populations that we actually work with to do our studies, our research, our projects. So keep all of those things in mind because we're really trying to cover a very broad spectrum and really integrating some of the same concepts in different courses to really solidify and really elevate practice. So that's some of the why behind what we're doing. And also make sure that you take a look at the module video itself. And there is a video in each one of the modules that will help you to be successful, kind of an overview of the video. I did go ahead and list out the different components that you will be doing, kind of the to-do list for module number 2. So it lists out what we're going to be doing. And just know that the second forum being in the module, but it's actually forum number 3, it will be our third discussion. You will be posting your presentation that you'll be completing as an assignment. So it's a double duty type thing. And it's really valuable to read and to learn about, view the different presentations that you all devise, because that helps to broaden, again, how we think about things and get a better understanding of the different challenges in different areas of practice. So with that being said, if you need absolutely anything from me, please let me know. I know some of you have already spoken with me or emailed with me as far as your topics for some of your social justice interviews that will be coming in the next module, and also for your legal aspects presentation. So just know that I'm here to assist you, and let me know if I can do absolutely anything for you. And thank you for all your diligence. This is really a very high level class, and I'm really looking forward to our future conversations.